All right, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money by eating food. Yeah, this simply means you buy food, eat, or cook food, eat, and make money. Which work is more easier than that? How to make money by just eating food? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make money by eating food. I'll show you an example. I'm going to my table and then eat some food and show you an example, example how you should do it and how that is been done. Oh yes. So first of all, we do a very short video of let's say 20 to 59 seconds or 10 to 59 seconds. Then upload it on your Facebook professional mode as real. When anybody scroll on top and then watch it, you make money, and that is all. That's just simple as that. So I'm going to show you how that works. Let me just show you an example of it. So let's go to the table. Yeah. All right, as I was saying, you can actually eat food and make money online. Yes. This is an example. This is what we call semo in Africa. We call this semo. Yeah, semo. I'm going to just put it on this table. And this is what's the name of this soup? Egusi soup. If you don't know egusi soup, there is something like this in egusi soup. Which is very sweet. And in egusi soup, there used to be meat and fish. Alright, so I can just call this semo like this. You put it in egusi soup and swallow it. Yes. So that's what you call egusi soup. And that is how to make money online by eating. Just eat and then show people and then just be discussing like this. That is an example of it. So let me show you how to set up the monetization and then upload your videos. Okay, welcome back. And you can just teach people how to do how to eat African food or how African eat food. Just simple as that. And then upload it on your Facebook professional mode and then make money with it. Make dollars with it. It's not going to be that much, but maybe $500 to like $800, maybe $1,000 a month, just for managing. Yeah, okay. So let me show you how to turn on Facebook. How to turn on the how to turn on the professional mode on Facebook to start putting your video right away. Yeah, but before that, you must have 5 videos to be a content creator. You need to have like 5 videos to be a content creator. So if you don't have any video right now, just prepare to do like 5 video. When you eat this morning, video it. You eat afternoon, video it. Then you eat at night, video it. And then tomorrow you can still do the same. That is 6 videos. So automatically you become a content creator when you just turn it on, and then you start uploading and leave people to watch it. And after that, I'll show you how to set up the monetization and how to link it with your bank account. When the money enter, they pay you automatically every month. You don't even need to do anything. You don't need to go and request for the money. No, they pay you automatically every month. So we are going to Facebook, and this is my phone, as you can see, and this is Facebook on my phone. So I'm now in Facebook. So we are going to turn on professional mode through this account. Let's go to Comedian FK. This is my personal account. So go scroll up and click on the 3 dots you are seeing at the right side. Click on the 3 dots. Then you see, first of all, if you look back here, you can see a create edit profile. just create edit profile. But when we turn on the professional mode now, you are going to be seeing follow here, people you are following and people that are following you. So let's click on the three dots, scroll down and see turn on professional mode. Turn on professional mode. Click on turn on professional mode, and inside the turn on professional mode you can see get paid for your content. Get paid for your content. This simply means you video a short things, then like you eat content, I don't know, you just get paid for your content up here. So now let's turn it on. Turn professional mode on. Right now it's turning on. Professional mode is now on. Yeah, so you are going to add your website if you have anyone. If you don't have anyone, just skip that one. As you can see, I already skipped because I don't have a website. If you have create new content, if you have the video, you can start uploading right away. But if you don't have, don't worry, just skip for now. Then add details. Add details about yourself. This is very necessary, mostly the country you live in. If you live in Nigeria, you need to fill this information correctly, so that you can see mine live in Lagos, Nigeria, from Lokoja, Nigeria, married, and others like that. So you need to fill it correctly so that the people in that location can see what you do. So now, after that, add your phone number if you wish to. But me, I always add my own business phone number here, the number you are seeing on the screen. So let's go back, and as you can see right now, my profile has now turned from friends, add friends, updating this, to following to look at one here, follow, then the second one, follow here. This is people that are following me 4,600, and this is people I'm following 121. So that is all. So the next thing we are going to do is to set up that monetization so that they can be paying you. But presently I don't have any video yet, so I don't think it can click. But let's just go there and see. Click on the three dots. Click on the three dots, then go down to turn professional mode off. No, go down to I'm coming to, no, sorry, click on view tools. Sorry, view tools at the top, view tools. So go to monetization. You say you are eligible. You can see here it said if you are eligible, explore way to earn money on Facebook. Click on it. Then you see bonuses. This bonus is what we're supposed to click. This is what's supposed to give us the money, but I don't have any video right now, so it can't click. You need to put 5 videos. When you put 5 videos, you come here, then you turn it on and link your bank account. This is Facebook, not anything scam, nothing like scam here. So, and this in stream ad is for people who do long videos. If your video is more than 1 minute, you set up in stream ad, upload it, but not into reel. Just upload it, then Facebook plays ad and you earn. This long video, these people really make a lot of money. Like that is what I'm doing right now. What I'm doing right now is in stream ad. This is not short video. This is in stream ad. So, and subscriptions, any of them you want. And already, let me show you like what I'm already earning on this fkfreetech, this particular fkfreetech. When I go to payout up here, when I go to payout, that is my name. You can see already I'm getting a 9 USD. I don't know why the thing is smaller like this, but this is 9 USD today. And if you look here, you can see $669 paid, 1,500 paid, 236 page, 4,000 something paid on this particular fkfreetech. As you can see, fkfreetech down here. So that is how it works, and that is how simple the thing is. So if you have any question or you want to know more about anything about fkfreetech, or you want to ask about Sparkplug, ask on monetization 101, follow our Mr. FK. There is a page called Mr. FK. Let me show you on YouTube and Facebook. This is search for Mr. FK here, then click on it, and Mr. FK, follow the page. Just follow this page, Mr. FK. Then we do video here live where people ask and we interact together one-on-one. Ask what you want to ask and we give you the answer. We just talk one-on-one. You get it? So you follow Mr. FK here. Let's discuss what you want to know about monetization and fkfreetech entirely. So this is how it is. So before I go, let me quickly tell you that fkfreetech will never ask you to send money for us. We don't need your money. We already make money. So if anybody asks you to send money, that is not fkfreetech. And if anybody asks you to send money for to buy a Sparkplug, to set up a monetization for you, I don't think you are dealing with fkfreetech. We never ask anybody for money. Our website is there, the phone number is there. If you want to call me one-on-one, call me. We don't have two phone number apart from this, the phone number on the screen there. So we don't have two, and we don't have two email or two website. That is the only website on the email. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any question, let's meet on Mr. FK where we discuss live one-on-one and interact with each other. So thank you very much for watching this video, and always remember that we can make money together online. Instead of doing giveaway, instead of giving you money, we can make it together. Yeah, make the money. Now my money, no, the money is online money. I make my own, you make your own. So let's work together and make it together. Thank you very much for watching this video, and feel free to share this video as you like and comment. Love you all. Thank you.